Costa Rica! After 4 years, we're finally back in one of our favorite countries.
Enjoy our adventures exploring the tropical flora and fauna, endless coastlines and wild beaches, vibrant cities, and of course, the most welcoming people. Pura vida!
My name is Lotte.
And I'm Domek.
We are two crazy birds tripping around our beautiful planet.
We are
touring birds.
Our second part of the trip brought us to the Caribbean coast. The drive through the Braulio Carrillo Cloud Forest National Park was so beautiful that we decided to take a break at a pit stop cafe. And guys, guess what we spotted right away?
And we have arrived in our jungle lodge. It is so pretty. There's the pool, first bedroom, and this small bathroom. And there, it's like in the middle of the jungle. This is so amazing. We have 3 bedrooms. Bedroom number 2 with the view to the jungle, bathroom, and bedroom number 3.
Today is on Jeff's menu pancakes with fresh ingredients.
Yummy.
And now the flip.
Nice. Our place was literally surrounded by nature's wildlife. Howler monkeys and toucans were waking us up every morning, and the beach was just a few steps away.
Cahuita night walk to see hopefully spiders, frogs and snakes.
Fingers crossed, and look at this view. Good morning.
Morning.
How do you like the Caribbean so far?
Oh, it's less humid than expected, and howler monkeys right above us, and we saw some Jeffrey spider monkeys yesterday.
Siehst du? Ich denke so. Das Baby klopft uns an. Das Baby hängt allein. So, also so ein Glück hatten wir mit denen noch nie. Little break from the sun. It's really hot today. Enjoying our first coconut.
Hello and good morning from the beautiful Costa Rica, and this time, oh my god, it's like a BBC wildlife documentary.
I'm so tired. It's like 6.
6:30, yes, and now we're going to a different national park. Come along and see you later.
Let's go. Lorito. Yeah. Ey, ey, ey. Oye, baby, no te pones muy cerca. Baby, yo sé que te falta ser mi amor. Yeah, yeah. Pero baby, no te pones así. Te llamé, pero no había señal casual, mi amor. Y te hace falta amor y lo estás perdiendo. Oye, mami, baby, no hay más desamor, desamor. Baby, no hay más desamor, desamor. Eso no vale nada, nada, nada. Yeah, y yo no vuelvo más, 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 nada, baby. Recuerdos en mi cama cuando te ponías bellaquita para mí. Nunca hablaste mucho, bien calladita. Pero mami, ya yo sabes que te gusta. Estoy guiando sin dirección justa. Tu favorita posición, baby, es cuando no hay ocasión. Sin embargo, eso fue una locura. La negrita que me rompió el corazón. Yeah, yeah. Y tú te crees que yo vuelvo a ti, yeah. And now you're just a love drunk fantasy. Y te hace falta amor y lo estás perdiendo. Oye, mami, baby, no hay más desamor, desamor. Baby, no hay más desamor, desamor. Eso no vale nada, nada, nada. Yeah, y yo no vuelvo más, 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 nada, baby. Desamor, desamor, yeah. Desamor, desamor, yeah. Desamor, yeah. Desamor, y te hace falta amor y lo estás perdiendo. Oye, mami, baby, no